Okay, so what I want to do is I want to get closer to the sink. So you're right up almost against it. So just walk forward.
It's not scary. It's not supposed to be up
That's it. Right there. Perfect. And so you're going to get nice and tall standing at the sink. And all you're going to do for me is you're going to slide to your left and then you're going to lean to your left. Let me change that.
Lean to my left.
I want you to put weight through your left foot and then put weight back on your right foot. Just like that. It's maybe 2 or 3 inches and then you go back to the right. That's good. And then you go back to the left. And the whole idea with this is you're in a very safe, controlled environment. You've got the strength of the countertop in front of you. You're just kind of letting the brain and the nervous system see what it feels like to put weight through the surgical leg.
Okay.
So that you're building confidence. I want to keep going just like that. Now, what does it feel like when you're on the left?
I feel the circle around the knee.
Sure.
And I don't have a shooting pain or anything.
Perfect. So now what I'm going to ask you to do is keep your weight about 50-50 on each foot. So feel the ground with both feet equally. I'm going to ask you to pick up your right heel. So if you look at me real quick. So your right heel is going to go up and back down. And then the left heel is going to go up and back down. You're not moving or stepping. You're just lifting the heel. And I'm recording these so you can see them later. That's it. And then the other. And let's just go back and forth just like that. When you pick up the right heel, you should feel the left leg holding you up. When you pick up the left heel, you should feel the right leg holding you up.
Yes.
So we're doing 5 total. There's a chair behind you in case you get dizzy or lightheaded. You can just take a seat. Let's get one more on each side. That looks good. Okay, the last one I'm going to ask you to do is you're going to bring your feet close together so they're actually touching.
Okay.
Close. Can you get
I'm
them
watching your feet.
Can you get them any closer?
Well, like Barb says, I'm like the bow-legged.
Okay, that's fine. That's good enough. I'll take that.
Okay.
So now what you're going to do, you're going to hold on to the counter. You can lean on your forearms, your elbows, whatever you need to. And basically,
You're
I
gonna
just
make me go backwards, aren't you?
one foot at a time. So you're going to take the left foot forward or backward first. That's the easy one. Put it down. Kind of put some weight on it. That's it. And then rock forward and bring it forward. And then let's put the right one back. You can use your forearms. You don't have to.
I know, but I want to quit being so chicken. Okay, so this is going back.
Yeah. Take your time. There you go.
It doesn't want to let me step on it. Okay. It will. It will. It will. Okay. 1, 2, 3, Barb, do it.
There you go. Beautiful. And then when you're ready, we'll bring it back up. The first one's always the toughest.
Okay.
Let's try 2 more on each side.
Okay.
So left one back. And
And I'm
forward.
rocking.
Yeah, a little bit. I want to get some weight on it. And then the other one. And forward. And the last cycle. These are going to be basically the 3 things I'm going to ask you to do at home over the next couple days.
Okay.
That's perfect. You will be amazed each time you do it. It'll be easier.
This brain is gonna.
That's what it is. It's really a brain exercise more than a leg exercise. But you're going to feel how much better you're walking as you do this more frequently at the counter. All right, I'm going to move that chair in. I'm going to turn it to the side so you can put that leg out in front, and I'm going to have you take a seat for me.